EverBank has savings account. Imagine banking that doesn't just keep up with your financial goals, but actually propels them forward with EverBank's innovative approach. You are not just saving, you are growing. Discover how EverBank is redefining what it means to truly invest your future. Hi guys and welcome. In this video I will talk about EverBank High Savings Account. So what is EverBank? EverBank is a financial institution that combines the stability of traditional banking with innovative financial solutions designed to empower individuals and businesses alike, with a commitment to providing competitive rates, cutting-edge technology, and personalized customer service. EverBank aims to redefine the banking experience whether you are looking to manage your savings more effectively, invest in the future, or secure financing. EverBank offers a range of products tailored to meet your needs. Their mission is to help you not only achieve your financial goals but exceed them all while maintaining a strong foundation of trust and reliability. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into everbank.com. So this is the homepage. Here we have a various information. So Everbank distinguishes itself by offering a comprehensive suite of financial products that cater to both individuals and businesses, providing competitive interest rates that maximize returns on savings, CDs, and investment accounts. The innovative approach to banking is reflected in a variety of specialized financial products, including high-yield savings account and customizable investment options tailored to meet the unique goals of each customer, leveraging cutting-edge technology. Everybank's online platform and mobile app make it incredibly easy to manage your finances on the go, with intuitive interfaces and real-time access to your accounts. Moreover, every bank places a strong emphasis on personalized customer service, ensuring that every client receives expert advice and solutions that are aligned with their specific financial objectives. This commitment to personalization extends to their flexible banking solutions, which can be customized to fit the needs of individuals seeking simple checking accounts or businesses requiring complex financial services. Then we have security is a top priority at EverBank, with advanced measures in place to protect your financial information and assets. Their global reach, coupled with deep local market knowledge, allows EverBank to offer insights and opportunities that are both expensive and relevant to clients in various regions. EverBank's dedication to growth is evident in their strategic planning, resources, educational tools, and investment opportunities designed to help customers not only meet but exceed their financial goals, ensuring a secure and prosperous future. Then we have here the first thing and the homepage here in EverBank. We have your personal. So we have your banking, today's rates, support. We have high yields account, performance savings, performance money market, performance checking. You can just click over the one you want to know and you start know information about EverBank. Then we have your CD accounts, performance CD, CDR, CD, and then we have diversified investing overview, precious metals, foreign currencies, market safe, CDs. Then we have online and mobile, online tools and services, mobile banking, send money with silly awards and donations. And then we have business here, business home, today's rate, support, accounts here, checking overview, money market, high yield, CDS, business CDR, ARS, CDS, currency account. Then we have services here, treasury services, merchant services, foreign exchange, and online and mobile. We have business online banking, mobile banking. Then we have here the commercial one, commercial home, client services, B2B solutions, financing, multifamily lending, specialty and lender financing. And then we have your client services, and the last one we have here about home, leadership, security center, careers here, new and media, and about careers we have search careers, new media we have newsroom, award and recognition. And about EverBank here we know the hard work you put in to get where you are, and we want you to know that finding you an earned advantage is what drives us. We are committed to delivering consistently high yields dedicated service. Then in the homepage, we have here various information about EverBank. The first thing here we have personal banking, 5% pay gifts, your savings and adventures. We have best in a competitive high yield and no monthly maintenance fee. Our EverBank performance savings account makes your hard earned money work harder for you. So then we have here ever protected. With FDS insurance, you can be sure that your hard earned money is secure and safe at EverBank. Your deposits are automatically insured by the FDC app to the legal limit. We have every performance built for performance here. As you can see, you deserve to get the most out of your money, so we deliver solutions that succeed, from competitive interest rates to our performance accounts built to fit your individual needs. Then we have your 5% EverBank performance savings. Take your saving to the next level with our high yield account, based in no monthly account fee, no minimum balance requirements, and easy mobile and online access. Then we have each time you bank or more, get more out of your money, and how you bank with account services and rates that separate us from banking as usual. Then we have strong security here. Rest assured that your information, accounts, and money are safe with our range of trusted security measures. Then we have free cash access here. With our checking and money market accounts, freely access your cash at over $80,000, no fee items across the country. Then we have mobile check deposits. Why go out of your way to deposit a check? Use our mobile app to send it to us securely and in a snap. Then you have your about us, learn about our rich history, dynamic growth, diverse services, and an unwavering commitment to financial succeed. And the last thing we have here, information to keep it in mind, so you can just read to more understand about EverBank. If you scroll down, you have here other things like about us here, newsroom. You can just click over the one you want and know more information about it. Then you have your contact us here, and then you have your log and your phone to find your account and open an account here, and you get started with EverBank. So EverBank offers a unique blend of competitive financial products, cutting-edge technology, and personalized service, all backed by a strong commitment to security and client success. Whether you are looking to manage your finances efficiently or grow your wealth strategically, EverBank is dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals with confidence. So this is it for EverBank. You can just get started with it and without finding any problem. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.